he see what happened?
He was overloaded. And then he popped in the truck, and then something, the only thing come back to him is just him.
And threw him back?
Yeah.
Tell me what you saw. You were driving right behind the sanitation truck, and what happened?
And I stopped. And he was putting a barrel, dumping a barrel, and that back flew up in the air and hit him right in the chest. It disconnected. The part of the back of the truck disconnected. You know? There's a back unit there that swings up on the hinge there. That disengaged and hit him right in the chest.